Alright guys, 2004 Chrysler Crossfire with a lifter tap. Drove it kind of hard because I had to go home really quickly to get something that I left from work. So anyway, I don't know if you can hear it from here. There's two noises. The tick 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 is the lifter. The noise is the alternator bearing. But so if I go in front of the car, you're gonna hear the alternator more than the tick probably. But let's do it. I'll be replacing the lifter, so I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I'm trying to leave the cams in and leave it in timing. I already took the valve cover off just to look at it. I'm still driving it around until I get the lifter. But it's the first cylinder on the driver's side. It's the exhaust lifter, and there's only one, so if it fails, I'm screwed. Yeah, so future video is replacing a lifter.